A flash of cobalt blue erupts from a tree at the Fessenden School in West Newton. The blue jay launches itself into the open sky. Its flight is a masterpiece of avian grace, the bold blue crest feathers gleaming as sunlight catches the sharp angles of its wings. But this is no ordinary blue jay. This one will make a journey, traveling long lengths and evolving rapidly until it finds a more suitable home. A couple of days later, it reaches the city of Great Falls, Montana. As night falls, it continues its steady journey. With its new keen, sharper vision, piercing the darkness, and its bigger, stronger body, it reaches the bustling city of Los Angeles. With a powerful, sharp beak and a sleek, waterproof body, it dives headfirst into the ocean, emerging moments later with a wriggling fish claimed as its prize. This tenacious traveller pushes on through the boundless sea, its journey nearing its end as it touches down in the lush landscapes of Hawaii. Finally, it reaches the paradise of Bora Bora and its journey ends.